Assalamu alaikum. I'm your social studies teacher. I hope you are all fine. Today we'll start our next chapter, chapter number 2, Weather and Climate, which is related to the geography section. First, we explain the name of the chapter, Weather and Climate. Weather and climate are two different terms. Weather is the climatic condition of any one day. In simple words, weather changes day to day or hour to hour. Now, climate. Climate is a weather condition of a place for a long period of time. Climate is very important for any country because climate affects our people's life, crops, and food we eat. Different countries have different climates. One of the most important factor of climate is temperature, and temperature depends on following other factors. Temperature is one of the most important factor of climate, and temperatures depends on different other factors. What are the causes of different climates? These causes we discuss one by one. First cause was distance from equator. Equator is an imaginary line running from east to west, and this line divides the earth into two equal halves. The areas close to the equator are usually warmer and wetter. Next is altitude. Altitude means the height of a place above sea level. The higher we are, the colder it is. It means जितना आप सी लेवल से या सतह समंदर से हाई होंगे या ऊंची होंगी हमारी लैंड, उतनी ही वो कोल्ड होगी या ठंडी होगी. फॉर एग्जांपल हिमालयास एंड कराकोरम. Proximity. It's mean nearness to the sea or closeness to the sea. The places near to the sea cooler in summer and milder in winter, like Karachi. जो इलाके समंदर के करीब हैं वहाँ जो हवाएं समंदर से होते हुए आती हैं वो ठंडी होती हैं, जिसकी वजह से गर्मियों में समंदर के करीब जितने इलाके हैं उनका मौसम प्लेजेंट या खुशगवार रहता है. Other cause of changing climate is rainfall. Rainfall is very important factor of climate. The areas where there is a lot of rainfall, the land is wet and the vegetation is good. And the area where there is little rainfall, the land is dry, there is less vegetation or no vegetation. Next is air pressure. Air is all around us. Air pressure is the weight of air pressing down on earth. Air pressure. When air pressure is high, the weather is usually fine and dry. When the pressure is low, it is usually stormy or wet. Next one is ocean currents. Ocean currents means movement of ocean water. It causes due to the rotation of earth, the wind and gravitation of moon. Next is direction of wind. Direction of wind is also an important factor because it affects on climate. If the wind comes from north, the wind is cool, and if the wind blows across a large area of sea, they pick up a large amount of water and produce a rainy climate. Take out your rough copies and note down the questions. Number 1, define climate. Number 2, define weather. Number 3, what is the driest place on earth? Write any 4 factors that affect climate. Allah Hafiz.